Hi everybody! Happy Tech Tip Tuesday here at the Lexus Virtual Classroom. We are on part 3 of our Lexus Personalized Settings mini-series. Today we are talking about light settings that you can customize yourself in your vehicle settings menu. If you missed the previous episodes of our mini-series, you can catch them here in the mini playlist that's specific to Lexus Personalized Settings. If you'd like to learn more about our Tech Tip tutorials, make sure to follow our Tech Tip Tuesday playlist, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit that bell so that you can be notified the next time we release our next Tech Tip video. Come on, let's learn together. If you have a non-navigation model Lexus, the setup for vehicle customization might look a little bit different. You'll have all the same categories, but you might have different or fewer items inside the categories depending on the level of equipment on your vehicle. Push Menu, open Setup. Then slide to select Vehicle, and then Vehicle Customization. And today we are looking at light settings. First on the list is the headlights auto on sensitivity. So we're talking about the sensor that detects whether or not it's getting dark. If you have your headlights in auto, it allows them to turn on or off automatically. If you like the timing of your auto headlights coming on and off, just leave it where it is in that neutral zone. Otherwise, you can click in the middle, slide your finger side to side on the touchpad to adjust the sensitivity, then click down when you have it where you want it, or you can click directly on the plus or the minus. Our headlights auto off timer allows your headlights to stay on for an additional 30, 60, or 90 seconds once the vehicle has been turned off and the doors are closed. The default is for the headlights to stay on for 30 seconds, but you can extend that time to 60 seconds or 90 seconds if you need more time with light exiting your vehicle. You can also turn this off completely by selecting off. Then when you turn your Lexus off and close the doors, your headlights will turn off also. Some Lexus vehicles may require that your doors be locked for this to activate. Make sure to check your owner's manual to confirm whether or not your doors need to be locked in order for the auto headlight off timer to work correctly. If you have your headlights on the timer and you've locked your Lexus, but you decide you would like your headlights to go off sooner, just press the lock button a second time and your headlights will turn off. Daytime running lights on or off. If you turn off this customization, that means that when you're driving during the day and your headlamps have not come on because it is daylight, then your daytime running lights will also be off. Let's take a look in action about how that works. I'm going to show you this in a reflection of a window that's in front of this vehicle. Headlamps are set to auto mode. Daytime running lights have been customized to off. You'll see in the reflection that the daytime running light is on and the low beam headlights are on because I am under a cover and it's starting to get dark here. Now watch the reflection. Moving out to the area where I have more daylight, the headlamps are going to turn off. The headlamp is completely off, including the daytime running light. Now, if I come back into the covered area, when the sensor detects that it's dark, the headlights and the daytime running lights will turn on. Changing that setting back to on means that even when our low beam headlights turn off because the sensor detects daylight, our daytime running lights will stay on. Watch the reflection. Now our headlamps have turned off because they've detected daylight, but our daytime running light is still engaged. Coming down to interior lights, auto off timer. Notice that when you turn your Lexus off, your interior lighting turns on automatically. You can customize how long it stays on after the vehicle's been turned off: 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 7.5 seconds, or not at all. These lights activate when you turn the vehicle off and will stay engaged even after you've exited the vehicle and the doors are closed. Here's how it works. In order for this feature to function correctly, you need to have turned on door mode for your interior dome lights. Now, when we turn off the vehicle, you'll see the interior lighting turn on. When we exit the vehicle, it will stay on for the designated time, which in this case is 15 seconds. And now the interior lights are off. Our last item on this list is the exterior lights auto off timer. You can make a selection of 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 7.5 seconds, or off. These lights are your puddle lights or welcome lights, and they're located in different places depending on your Lexus. The exterior lights are also dependent upon door mode being engaged. Your lights will stay on after you've turned off and exited the vehicle. On this vehicle, we're looking at the puddle or welcome lamps underneath the door handle. And they're currently programmed to turn off 15 seconds after the door is closed and the vehicle has been turned off. There we go. When you have the door mode engaged, keep in mind that you'll have welcome lights on your Lexus. That's part of your smart access system. Those interior lights have also turned on, helping with visibility as you enter and exit your Lexus. Turn the vehicle on, the interior lighting will shut off, and your exterior lighting will engage depending on your settings. As long as you have your headlamps in auto, depending on your timer setting, they will also have turned off. Thanks so much for dropping by the Lexus Virtual Classroom. Stay tuned next week for part 4, wrapping up our Lexus Personalized Settings mini-series. And make sure to keep a lookout. Our 2021 full model deep dive tutorials will be coming soon. We'll see you next time.